inspired है क्या inspiration था इसमें?
I'm not very inspired by any particular film. I'm inspired by people, by the youth of today, which I feel is not black and white, which is little grey. You know, today's youth, it's very difficult to say who's moral, who's immoral, who's good, who's bad. These are all outdated words. You know, what is important is who's human and who's inhuman, and that's what Bhavra reflects.
Ravi you've been almost all the time connected with romantic
Yeah,
films and
yeah,
romantic directors.
yeah,
So in this, the title goes on like love and aggression.
yeah.
Do you think aggression is a part of love, or yeah, क्या reason था title?
Bhavra is called love and aggression because I feel that aggression plays a very important role in the psyche of today's environment. It's not a calm environment. There's a lot of material competition. There's a lot of information. There are wars going on in half the world. There are diseases in the rest half. There's global warming. And in spite of that, there is love. Fortunately, otherwise we'll all devour each other. So both these elements of love and aggression are there in Bhavra.
और स्टार कास्ट की बात करते हैं तो 4 new TV stars, having worked with so many big names, रमेश जी तो TV stars देने की कोई खास वजह थी?
I have worked with big names and I will work with big names. And these are 4 big names from television also. Could be there'll be bigger names tomorrow on screen. That's the beauty of screen, one never knows about the future. It's always a name starts and then becomes a big name, you know. So could be Ijaz Khan, Manav Gohil, Sangeeta Ghosh and Shweta Salve are big names. But then when I worked with Karishma Kapoor, she was not. When I worked with Akshay and Sunil, they were not. So I've been used to working with people when they were not big names, and then I've used to working with them when they become big names also. I should be motivated with their ability and their availability to me.
So but then
Yeah? You're rushing? Take care. Did you hear what I said about you? You better hear. Please hear. I've called you the Devanand of your field. Who's going to go on forever.
तो रमेश जी जो आपने बताया कि you lack the ability कि आप you like to work on the ability. So what was there in the mind, because ability wise if you talk तो काफी actors भी हैं
Yeah.
which are capable, लेकिन to have TV stars completely.
See, it's my first production. And in my first production, I didn't want to hedge he and ho. I want to take certain risks in my first production. I hope to be here for a long time. I can take stars, you know. And but I feel the script requires fresh people. Secondly, I feel the stars cannot be as available to me as much as I would like them to be available to me. Naturally, they have other commitments also. So I wanted 4 people who are fully available to me, and they suit the characters also, so they are there.
और as a director, not talking about the film, do you think आज the Bollywood industry needs new talent, new faces?
I feel the entertainment industry, I feel creativity always needs fresh influx. You know, how boring would life be if the same faces and the same people go on forever? There's a time for all of us, including me, to shift out from this field and for someone else to come in. And everyone can coexist, you know, but fresh people have to come. And if established people don't give opportunities to fresh people, then who will?
इसमें आमिर खान और फैजल खान दोनों को, फैजल खान को लॉन्च किया था, उस टाइम कैसा था वर्किंग विद फैजल की बात करते हैं?
आमिर और फैसल मेरे बहुत करीबी दोस्त रह चुके थे मेला के पहले, और हम एक ही नेबरहुड में रहते हैं पाली हिल में। और आमिर मेरे स्कूल में थे स्कॉटिश में, फैसल सेंट एन्स में थे। हम एक टाइम पास गैंग ग्रुप में से रह चुके हैं, और मुझे उनकी ब्रिलियंट मेमोरीज़ हैं। मेमोरीज़ इसलिए क्योंकि फिल्म्स में जब फिल्म्स ख़त्म हो जाती यू मूव ऑन। तो अभी 7-8 साल हो गए उनको मिले हुए, एंड वेर एवर दे आर इन माई हार्ट, एंड I love them, and Faisal and Amir are dear friends of mine, especially Faisal. And he's a very dear friend of mine, and I wish him only the best.
फैजल के साथ जब उस टाइम आप काम कर रहे थे, how as an actor कैसा था फैजल?
Faisal is a lovely person, and so is Amir. Faisal is a very well behaved, he's a very honest person. He's very blunt, which a lot of people are not prepared in the artificial world of cinema. And it's not easy being in Faisal's shoes, because when you have a brother who's just a year older than you and is such a stalwart and popular person like Amir Khan, it's very tiring, you know, to be compared. It's tiring, you know. Hats off to Faisal to take that comparison. And I'm sure he'll survive all comparisons.
So you just said you're a very good friend of his, but in today's newspaper, it's about Fazli Khan that
I don't want to comment.
but I understand.
No, I don't want to comment. Until I'm sure about something, I don't want to comment. And it's too sensitive an issue. You know. Health issues, I don't want to comment. Okay? You have a lovely voice.